Now look what we have here now. An Audi that doesn't start. It has to be driving over on a lift because we have a key for it. Couldn't get it programmed. No idea yet why. Uh, we need to do more checks. Usually this should be straightforward. However, it wasn't in this case. And we need to work some magic. Hopefully we get this running, because otherwise we're going to be stuck with it. And we don't want that. We need to have clear here. So now it's going to be dropped on, and let's see what we can do with it and whether we can get it running yet again. Welcome to Car Key Solutions. Here we have amazing story, real life experiences with car keys, vehicle security and much more. We managed to roll the car back. We put it on a roller so it doesn't sit in the middle. Now the story on this car is that we have a key from the dealer. This is 2018 car and we couldn't program. Now the situation is where the vehicle was located, it was a residential area. When we tried to do the programming, the alarm went off, all the neighbors went ballistic. So this is another reason that you should never run on only one key, because if you lose it, so much headache anyway. So the car has to be picked up, brought over on the lift, and here we try to do the programming process yet again. Now our initial problem was that the dashboard was not lighting up. So what we're gonna do, the alarm goes, so we're gonna do a battery reset. Then hopefully we'll get communication with the dashboard, and then we'll reattempt programming on the key. Hopefully it's going to be successful this time, because now we have this one stuck here. We don't want to be this long. This is another interesting one, so another auction car that is not starting. Separate video. First of all, we need to focus to get this running. We'll do a battery reset, and then we're going to reattempt programming. Let's hope this time it's going to work. Okay, so we have the siren still goes because it says the battery disconnection. To be honest, I don't hold very high hopes that this is gonna fix it, because usually the communication is very good on those cars. So it's very strange. We've done a battery reset. We've got some development, so we have managed now to connect to the car, and if everything goes fine, we should soon have this car running. So let's run the procedure of the key programming. Okay, so it tells us to hold the key against the coil here while we do this. So if he reads it, it's gonna go through. Fingers crossed we're gonna have this car running. Okay, so I have read the vehicle details. It's good. Switch the ignition on. Happy days. Brilliant. Okay, so we're making good progress. It goes through a lot of modules, but this is normal procedure. So now the software is asking us if we want to adapt keys, and we have to register the number of keys. We have to have just one key because this is what we have now. Okay, so the key has been adapted. Let's see, ignition off and on again. The test is finished now. So this is the moment of truth. Let's see. No, it does. Yes, yeah. And whew, we have a running engine. Okay, so this was quite okay. Let's see the remote. Let's see the remote function. Brilliant. This also works. So you know what, it would have been just a simple key programming. It was not able to be completed because it was residential area and the alarm was going. We have some difficulties communicating with the car. We managed to complete here. The situation was more relaxed. But the takeout is never be stranded with just having one key. Although at the moment the customer still has one key, but he went through a lot of saga. Having the lift, taking the car from where it was, bring it here, additional cost, which probably is going to mount up to probably the cost of another key, and the inconvenience not having the car for so long. So never be stranded, have always a spare. And this is how we fix this Audi and we program a new key. Stay close for more video about car keys, vehicle security, car repairs in general.